already subscribed to the channel. And if you want more fashion info, you can follow me on my Instagram. It's just DV Double Vanilla. And when you see me next, I will be inside Bergdorf Goodman. I want to show you guys a little bit of jewelry. How beautiful is that bracelet? This is by Suzanne Kaelin. And I just love all the different shapes on that bracelet. I think it's so unique. Similar style of necklace here and similar with these rings. I love all of these dainty little rings. They're amazing. As well as these, they're beautiful. And then look at these diamonds over here with the leather. These are gorgeous. I love that. Wow. Really special. Imagine having a stack with all of these. Really gorgeous. Those long dangly ones. And I just want to show you this wall. We've got the Bottega, and then this one over here is Loewe, I believe. And it's such a unique bag. I love that. This again is Loewe. We've got this really cute sac de jour over here. We've got this adorable little mini Jody bag. Over here they've got some Balenciaga Hourglass bags. And then this one, I haven't seen this one in person, but I saw it online. Look at the little, it's got the Eiffel Tower, it's got all of these little charms on it. And inside Dior, look at the beautiful Dior Joy in this sequin. So beautiful. They also have the little saddle bags over here. This one here is gorgeous. It's a little bit difficult to see because it's backlit, but there we can see it a little bit better. That's really beautiful. And this one, I love this greenish khaki color. These little mini Diors. The Caro bags. Always my favorite is the costume jewelry here. The rings are beautiful. Wow, look at this piece over here. That's gorgeous. Look at these Lady Diors. This metallic one, ostrich. These long Bobby bags. And then look at these little, they're like a rain boot. These are amazing. I haven't seen these before. They're wonderful. And I am at the Van Cleef area now, and love Van Cleef so much. Definitely something in the future, when I'm older, I will get. I just think they're so beautiful. They make such a statement to an outfit. These are gorgeous. I love the mix between the stones and then the beautiful diamonds. They've got this ring over here, this beautiful ring over here, this timepiece. How adorable is that? Oh my gosh, a little piggy. There's also this watch over here, which is gorgeous. And they also have only one more. They also have only one more area of Van Cleef, so they don't have a lot of Van Cleef here. At least the like 5 motif style, the alhambras. But this watch is gorgeous with the mother of pearl. And then there's this beautiful necklace. There, it talks a little bit about the Alhambra collection. Another gorgeous ring with a diamond. A duo ring over here with beautiful stones, mother of pearl. And then this over here is the black Alhambra. I love that. And then look how cute that is with the little dog. I just feel like Van Cleef, they make adorable things. I love that. That is beautiful. Then over here, there's this beautiful ring They also have these gorgeous, oh my gosh, you're too nice. Why are you so sweet? Do you want to be on the channel?
Sure.
Are you allowed? I don't want to get you in trouble. Okay. Oh my gosh, so this lovely woman who works here, she watches my channel, which is so nice. She's gonna come back. So we'll keep looking at this eye candy until she comes back. Okay, you are so sweet. So you sure you're allowed? I don't want to get you in trouble or anything. Say hi to the channel.
Hello.
You're the best. Oh, love your outfit, by the way. Where's the dress from?
Shein.
No. It looks so
H&M.
chic.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. I love that.
And Coach.
Gorgeous.
Thank
Love
you.
those. And wait, where's the belt from?
H&M.
Love that.
You know?
And earrings?
They're Tiffany dupes, but they're from Amazon.
I love that.
And then these are Van Cleef.
Let's see. Let's do a little close up. I love those. Gorgeous.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
We wish cheers. Okay, that was amazing. Sweetest person ever. That was so nice. And I've got some champagne here. All right, I'm gonna keep showing you the rest of this. I mean, Van Cleef is just something else. And I love when people are so kind. So hopefully you guys are enjoying all of the eye candy.
I mean, I also never wear
And then look how cute. These are called Lucky Animals. There's this adorable little bunny rabbit, a squirrel. I mean, it's beautiful. And then over here, they've got the little butterfly motifs. They're so sweet.
Thank you. I love them.
Have you been waiting a long time to get them?
No, they're mine for a whole year.
Oh, okay.
I'm here for maintenance.
Gotcha. So what do you have to do to them?
Just a back piece.
Back piece, yeah. I love them. And then we've got these little glittery bags over here by Prada. And Prada actually has a newer bag, which I thought is so interesting. It's so vintage, this bag. I feel like this is such a neat bag. I love the big handles. You can wear it as a shoulder strap, and I don't know, I feel like this bag is really neat. It's a different take on the shoulder bag that's been, you know, very popular. And look at the big handles on it. In black, it looks great. I think this looks great with the fabric. What do we think about this new Prada bag? I don't know the name of it or if it has a name because they often don't name their bags. This one is a new take on the triangle bag, right? It's like a 2-in-1. That is interesting. I like when new interesting bags come out. It makes you excited about fashion, and instead of just seeing the same old, same old. This is also a newer-ish piece from Prada. This is pretty cool over here. They've got their classic shoulder bags over here. I'll show you these cute little SLGs from Prada. I love the hair scrunchie. It's very cute. These little cups. They've got all of the sparkle bags over here. These are so much fun. And there's a little bit of Goyard over here. There's also these little trunks over here. Very cute. These little bucket bags. And there was this one bag, I think it might be called a cassette bag, I can't remember the name. They don't have it here though. It's a very like structured bag from Goyard, but they don't have that here. And then over here we've got some Celine bags. These are the Triomphe bags. We've got the classic one there in black, and then this is a dark brown, and like a glazed box calf. You can kind of see the difference between the black there in the back and this brown. It's very deep. And then they've got these longer ones over here, which are very, very cute. And then look at that one with the little top handle. That is so unique, that one. And then we've got some Valentino here. Valentino ready to wear. Look at the gorgeous ostrich feathers on that. And then this amazing coat. It's like a poncho. It's very beautiful. This cropped piece over here is gorgeous. And then look at this over here with the beading. This has some cutouts. I love that with the belt detail. It's beautiful. And again, this lots of structure on this dress. I love the pearl details. It's got the gorgeous darting and these beautiful pearls going all the way down. Such a work of art. I mean, the crystal details on it. I love that it has that little honeycomb. The color is incredible. This is by Gemma Wynn. Love the pearls. This one over here. This is by Darius. And this over here is Voltier. And we've got Ziki over here, lots of pearls, which are so special. I love those. Oh, look at all those pearl strands up there. Those are amazing. I always love these Loewe basket bags, and here you can see all of the sizes. You can also see the little, what is that, elephant? And then check out this beautiful yellow one. I love that. These are beautiful with the white. These are gorgeous. And then these are a newer version. They almost look like they're Bottega, but these are Loewe, their new handbag. And yeah, I love this khaki green color. They're very interesting. And then we've got here the puzzle bag. I love this cream one over here. And this one is beautiful in the nude with the tan. Love that one. Then there's some Dolce & Gabbana Sicily bags. This one's really unique over here, this little one. And then we've got some Fendi over here. These little baguette bags. The classic. And then I want to show you these very unique bags over here. So these are Judith Lieber. They're obviously a beautiful piece, but if you know, what is her name? Kris Kardashian or Kris Jenner. She loves Judith Lieber. She has a whole collection. I think she did an interview. I'm not sure if it's on Vogue or where, but she did a whole interview sharing her entire Judith Lieber collection. And they're very interesting. Look at this burger one, the snake. And I've never actually seen Judith Lieber in person. They do a lot of these bows. I think this fish is beautiful. And this one here is gorgeous as well. They've also got this lipstick over there. And then look at this one with the dolphin. Very beautiful and unique. There's also these Loewe bags, which I haven't seen. They almost look like the Celine bag, right? Like the Celine Triomphe or the Triomphe, the Celine box bags. These are Prenza Schuler. Very bohemian, the Prenza Schuler handbags. And then these are some Jimmy Choo bags over here. These are Aaliyah. You can always tell because they've got the gorgeous cutouts. They have so many beautiful colors. These over here are very beautiful. I love these. Gorgeous. These little heart bags over here. And these are Brunello Cucinelli. Gorgeous suede. These are very unique bags. Actually really beautiful. I love these a lot. This bigger one here, it's got this little beading on the side. I love that. These are Maria Oliver Balenciaga bags. Lots of beautiful colors. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the vlog at Bergdorf's, and make sure you're subscribed if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel. Thank you if you have. And of course, if you want some more fashion inspiration, you can follow me on my Instagram. It's just DV Double Vanilla, and I will see you guys in the next New York City vlogs. Oh,